Kung magkakaroon ako ng sasakyan, tatlo lang naman yung hinahanap ko. Una, praktikal. Gusto ko matipid. Pangalawa, kayang magdala ng madaming bagay. Spacious. At pangatlo, gusto ko electric dahil gusto ko sustainable. We will be testing the BYD Sea Lion 5 DMI. Sobrang slick na ng itsura from the outside, but I got more impressed nung nakita ko na yung loob. It is spacious that my friends can ride with me comfortably, and at the same time, I can still bring a lot of things. It is very modern and high-tech. You can open the engine even before ka pa makapasok. Meron ding voice command. Hi BYD, rotate screen.
Okay.
The BYD Sea Lion 5 DMI has Super DMI technology. Kaya nitong tumakbo on electric power ng up to 71 kilometers. And the fuel can charge your battery as you move, so you can definitely have less gas consumption. Expensive mag-maintain ng sasakyan pero competitive ang preventive maintenance service cost ng BYD Sea Lion 5 DMI. This is very easy to drive, very light, and at the same time, very comfortable. Pasok ba sa checklist ko? Is it practical? Check. Is it spacious? Check. Is it electric? Check na check. Pasok na pasok sa needs ko. And this is the BYD Sea Lion 5 DMI. To know more about this, go to bydcarsph.com.